So I went to a plant sale and I bought these runner beans, which I've just put in. And then my next job is to fill these troughs up with soil as well. And then that will get all my wild seeds in there. I can just sprinkle them all in. And then up here, I've just put some more soil in my planter here, just so that's ready. I'm going to put my sunflower seeds, bury them in here as well. I think these are Sweet Williams. I'm going to see how they get on, because there is a mass of them, which is brilliant. I've got a tomato plant there, which I'm going to pot up as well. And I've also got my own seed runner beans here, which I'm going to see how they are, see if they need potting on. And my cucumbers. Probably pot them in one more time before I put them out. My morning glory, that's all coming up okay. Some of it's dried out a bit, as you can see, but I've got quite a bit there, but that's still quite young. So the best thing to do is to check the bottom, and there's not that much root coming through. So you see there's a bit more root coming through there on them beans, but it's still not quite time yet, I don't think, to pot them on. Let's have a look at the cucumbers. Yeah, there's no root there at all at the moment, so I'm just bringing them out during the day while it's warm, giving them a nice bit of fresh air, and then putting them in still overnight just to protect them. And then all my wild seeds can go in those troughs down there, and up here I need to clean them out. But first of all, I want to go on to my app that I've got, which is PlantNet, and that will tell me what all this greenery is, because I don't really want to get rid of stuff that's going to flower, but because I don't know whether it's flower or weed, I suspect there's some weed in there. I want to be able to make the most of it and maybe just add some soil to them. This one's broken a little bit, so I'm going to edge them together, put some fresh soil in, dig out what I can on this one especially, because there's not a lot happening here. And then see where we go from there. And if there's anything worth saving, then I will. I've got a little pot of pansies that have just come up. My nasturtium is here with some more morning glory and beans. So the nasturtium, I normally get really bad black fly with that, but last year I tried doing something a bit different, and that was to put it in a separate pot, out of the way of everything else. Otherwise I do find that the black fly does transfer then onto other things. And then all the other bits are still in here. These are bits I'm not sure whether they're going to come into anything or not, but there's nothing going on over that side. There's a little bit down here. Evening primrose is coming out a little bit, so I'm just going to leave them for now, keep watering them, spraying them, and see how they go. And for now I'll just put on what I can. So that'll be the tomato. Might check, this was all from the plant sale, all these. That's marigold, so that's still quite young. See, there's no root system growing there at the moment, so I won't transfer them yet. And then we have verbena, viola. Verbena's not really doing anything. The viola's doing really well, so that would be great if that comes up. And I can't say that back one. That's one of my unusual ones in my Hessian bag that Dave got me for Christmas. So they're pretty much trial and error and see what they come out like. But I've followed the instruction. So yeah, I'm just going to plant the rest of them up. What can go out, give it a bit of a water. And at least what can go out is out, which will be good. I can't remember what that one was now. Oh, that's dill. So that can come down the bottom of the garden, so we remember to use it for cooking. And not sure about that one, so I might need to plant net that. I got that from the plant sale, but I can't remember what one it was. And thyme there as well. So they can probably come out and sit down the bottom of the garden now. They don't need to be going inside anymore. You can see that's going a little bit yellow, and it might just be where it's been in the greenhouse, so I'll keep that out now. But yeah, I will do another video just to show you how it's all going. Thank you for watching.